What's up guys, thanks for tuning in. And if you're a fan of the C8 like I am, you know that the C8 has a few little Easter eggs that are spread around the whole entire car, from the rear windshield, Corvette logos that you see, to in the headlight, to even the founder of the mid-engine Corvette, Zora, in the front windshield. But there's one in particular that you can find on the front windshield on the driver's side, and that's the Team Corvette logo. And it's one of those things, if you're not paying attention to it, you probably won't even see it. But some of that stuff you shouldn't hide. So that's what we're gonna look at to do today. For just less than $1, how to make that little word pop on your C8 Corvette. It's a fun and quick video today, so let's get started.
So in order to make that logo pop, there's a few things that we'll need to do. First, you'll need a sheet of vinyl paper in the color of your choice. Along with that, you'll need painter's tape, measuring tape, some tweezers, and scissors. And I'll have links in the description below on where you can find these if needed. So this install is super simple, and all we need to do is simply use a piece of color vinyl to insert behind the windshield and dash. It's pretty cheap, and you can find single sheets for less than $1 depending on where you look, but it may be worth spending an extra few cents to get heavy duty kind in order to reduce fading. Next, we can use painter's tape and apply it to the windshield. This will help visualize guiding the vinyl as you're inserting, which is useful if you don't have a second set of eyes to help you out. Initially, when I was doing a fitment check, I had to adjust my guidelines. The important tape guideline to place is right at the end of the Corvette logo, since there's a seam that will prevent you from placing it past that edge point. So to cut the vinyl to a size that fits, you'll need a piece that measures about 8 inches long and 2 inches wide. A rough cutting size should still work, but try to keep it within those dimensions. Using tweezers will help not only in placing the vinyl, but allow you to remove and reinstall should you need to. The last thing to do is place the insert into position. You'll need to use a mix of your fingers and tweezers, since the closer you get to placing, the tighter the fit is. For final placement, the tweezers will be necessary so the insert doesn't stick out from the top of the border area. Once that's done, remove the painter's tape and you're done. So a quick and easy install, but adds that extra nice touch that everyone can see and appreciate. If you have any questions about this install, feel free to leave a comment below.
So thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please check out any of my other how-to videos like this one here for your C8 or car needs.